Hello friends, how are you? I Dr. Kothari welcome you in my YouTube channel. So friend, today we are going to discuss on a topic that is chain index number. Okay, so as of now we have discussed so many topic on this index number and most of these were based on the fixed base. Okay, though the fixed base was quite inconvenient to calculate or to construct or to work with, but it has certain limitation. Okay, and these limitations are basically when the time passes, the things which were important on at that time becomes less significant or less important, and the conversion of the current air price with these base air prices just becomes irrelevant or does not represent the actual change, right? So it might happen that due to the, you can say, the absoluteness of the items, or the item that becomes obsolete or having less significant, we will have to just drop it out from the index, and we will have to just include some more item in the index. Okay, so for that point of view there is a need of certain techniques that will be just quite flexible or will help to just measure the actual change over the period of time or between the two period of time, and this chain index number is the alternative for this one. Okay, so friend, let's start. We have some example or some figures here that is in the form of year. Okay, so for few years we are given a price, and we have to construct chain index number. So before constructing the chain we need a link relative, then only we construct the chain index, right? So here you can say it is from 2010 to 2015. Okay, it is 2014 and 2015, right? And price we have 40, 50, 60, 75, 90 and 120, right? Next we need link relative. Link relative. Okay, so link relative is nothing, it is just simply P1 upon P0 into 100. Okay, P1 upon P0 into 100, and for base year or starting year it remains 100. Okay, it is assumed as 100. For next year it will be for 50 by 40 into 100, that will be 125. It is simply 50 by 40 into 100. Current year's price upon base year's price into 100, it will give us 125. Then for next year 60 upon 50 into 100, it will give us how much? 120. Okay, then 75 upon 60 will give us again 125. 90 upon 75, this will give us 120, and last 120 upon 90 will give us, that is 133.33. Okay, so these are our link relatives. Link relatives are nothing, just P1 upon P0 into 100. Okay, once this link relative is constructed, so we have to construct a chain index number. Okay, chain index number. So here chain index number is just chain index number or chain base index equal to, it is simply link relative of current year into chain base index of previous year upon 100. Okay, again I am repeating, link relative of current year into chain index of previous year upon 100. Okay, this is simply for base year it will remain 100. For next year link relative of current year is 125 into chain index of previous year, it is 100 over 100, this will give us 125. Okay, link relative of current year into chain index of previous year into 100, right? So this is 125. Same for next year, this 125 again will go ahead here, 125, this will be multiplied by this year's link relative over 100, it will give us 150. Okay, this will give us how much? 150. Then for next year, this 150 will shift to the next year, multiplied by this 125, 125 into 150 over 100, and this will give us 187.50, right? And this will shift ahead, this will give us how much? 120 into 187.5 by 100, this will be 225. Okay, last will be 133.33, 133.33 into 225 previous year's chain index upon 100, this will give us 300. Okay, how much? 300, right? So by this way we construct our chain index number. Okay, so we have only to just remember this formula. This is link relative of current year into chain index of previous year by 100. Okay, so by this way we construct our chain index number. Okay, so friends, this was the topic for today's discussion or today's lecture. Or so thank you very much for watching this, and next video we will discuss about the conversion of this chain into the fixed base, conversion of chain base index into fixed base index. Okay, so have a nice day and God bless you.